Local health clinics can be more than just medical centers by addressing all aspects of a patient's everyday life. When I was in Memphis, I partnered with a local clinic called Church Health, who wanted to take a wider look at just their typical medical care by taking a more public health lens and addressing the social determinants of health of their patients. Or they wanted to look at the gaps and inequities in their everyday life, like lack of access to education, or rent and mortgage issues, or food instability. Anything that can address and affect a patient's everyday life. So I did a nationwide literature review to look for clinics who are addressing these social determinants of health. And I found clinics along the West Coast, Texas, Illinois, Minnesota, who were using surveys to address the social determinants of health in their patients. They were using models like the Prepare tool or SEEK for pediatrics, and they were developing their own surveys to ask questions and assess the needs of a patient's everyday life, and then give them resources and guides in their communities to bridge the gap between medical care and anything that's offered in the community. So I took all this information, went back to Memphis, and I did a gap analysis and a SWOT analysis. Or basically, I looked at the clinic to see where there were gaps or holes in their patient care to see how we could better address the needs of the patients within these clinics. So I also got to sit and observe and watch the day-to-day life of patient care and what the providers were missing within their care as well. And we created our own survey at this clinic to address the needs of a patient so that way they could fill it out and we can assess and code what they needed in their day-to-day life, and then develop resource guides and connections within the community so that way we can build the gap and create a bridge within the community of Memphis so that way anyone who walks into that clinic in Memphis can receive care for any aspect that they might need in their life. Thank you.